I've identified this tree as a tree that we want to include in our stocking for first lift prune. It's the most dominant tree within this area. The form isn't too bad. There's a little bit of a wobble up there, but the tree will grow out of that. The biggest issue with this tree is the large ramicorn branch growing out the back. But yeah, that branch is a bit too big for my loppers and my hand saw, so I'll use a chainsaw for that. But first I'm going to clear out all the small stuff that I can reach before cutting that with the chainsaw. Okay, so I've cut all the branches that I can take with my loppers, which leaves this big branch for the chainsaw. I'm using a chainsaw now, so I need a bit more safety equipment. I've got earmuffs, visor, and cut-proof chainsaw chaps. I'm going to put a back cut, a front cut, sorry, and then a back cut a little bit higher, so it drops out in that direction, and then I'll tidy the rest up afterwards. I had to be very careful with that last cut to make sure that I didn't damage the stem. So I just took it very slowly. It's very easy to damage the tree with the chainsaw, just the slightest wrong move and you leave a pretty nasty wound that the tree would have to recover from.